Since 1967, the Stroud Water Research Center is focused on the science of freshwater rivers and streams. The center added an education program and then a watershed restoration program to reach more people and address the needs of the community.
So a stream or river's watershed is the area of land that drains into that river or stream. And you can think of it like your bathtub. Every drop of water that falls in your bathtub flows down that central drain. A watershed is exactly the same thing. It's a section of the earth that all drains down into one system.
At the foundation of what we do is an educational process where we try to reveal to people how important their role is in protecting the water through the decisions they make on how they live on the land. So when we're working with landowners to take what may be very unhealthy, unforested streams and tweak how they're managing their properties so that we're helping that stream, over time, they can see this stream turn into basically just a muddy ditch that might be in their backyard to this living ecosystem that has native plant, that has fish, that has aquatic insects. We're taking this very important piece of the landscape and turning it into this very diverse and lush environment.
It's not like we continue doing it just because of research. We continue to do it because it actually improved our soil health, soil runoff. You know, we want to do what's right for the environment and watersheds because it's where we live. It's what we make our living off of.
We've seen that we can make these improvements, and we believe we can have places to grow food and places to live and clean water and healthy stream. And I guess my hope for the future is that we continue to do this work in a way that serves our communities and stewards these resources for the next generation.